Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and in today's video we are looking at part 2 into can I replace my completely analog rig with a completely digital one. Now if you missed the first part, it's on my channel, of course, go and check it out, but in that first part we just looked at why I might want to do that and looked at my pedal rig to look at some of the sounds that I would be looking to replicate in a live setting. Well, today we're actually digging in to the Fractal FM9, and if you're on the fence about purchasing one of these units, well, this is going to give you a good idea of some of the things that it's capable of from a completely beginner perspective. Because, and I'll warn you on this now, this video may be very, very boring for a lot of people, because once I'm done talking, I'm going to cut to a clip of me playing with the presets, just the presets on the Fractal for half an hour. So it's going to be half an hour of uninterrupted footage. You'll be able to see the presets that I'm using, and I'm not really trying to show you anything. I'm just cycling through presets and I'm just playing with them for a little bit to see for myself some of the sounds that the unit is capable of. Now I'm going to give you a couple of pointers or a bit of an insight into the way the infrastructure works. So I like the way I've been thinking about this unit is to think of a pedal board. So when I have a preset on the Fractal, it is essentially a pedal board that you would take out onto a gig. Each preset you make is essentially a pedal board. Each preset is its own collection of effects units. So you might have a preset that's a certain amp with a certain boost pedal in front of it, maybe a chorus pedal, some reverb, cabinet simulation, whatever the effects chain is, that is your preset. Now within that preset, there are different what are called scenes. Now you can press buttons on the effects unit to switch from one scene to another. So your basic, let's call it your rhythm scene, might just be the amp turned up about halfway with some compression in front of it. And then you might have another scene, which might be your soloing tone on that preset. You press the button and that's going to engage whatever you set it to engage. But let's say that engages both your overdrive pedal and a delay pedal at the same time. So you don't have to tap dance around so much. Now you can create, I believe it's 8 scenes per preset, which already is a lot of options. And outside of that, you can also switch on over to the effects, so you can turn pedals on individually just like it were a normal pedal board. But really that scenes function is where the interest comes for me, because I can press one button and change multiple parameters at the exact same time without having to dance around my pedal board. Now, while looking at these presets, I'm not going to go through every single scene for each preset. In fact, rarely am I going to go to any of the scenes, because I wanted to try as many presets as possible. Like I said, I'm going to be playing for half an hour here, so buckle up. Hopefully you find something you enjoy. If you have enjoyed this, then please do hit that subscribe button, and I will be back for another one of these soon. In the meantime, here's me just rocking on the Fractal, and for reference, sorry, I should point this out, for reference for sound here, all I'm doing is I'm running an XLR cable from the output of the Fractal into my it's a Scala Octo preamp, so we're capturing direct sound from the Fractal, but in the room I'm running another output into a Laney powered cabinet, so that's what I'm hearing in the room, and in theory they should be the same sounds. So should be no real difference there. But anyway, here we go, 30 minutes uninterrupted. Check it out. Hopefully you find some sounds that you like. Hopefully you hear some of these things and you go, oh, that's a genuinely good tone there. I could use that tone. I like that tone. Because this is, without any editing, without any creation of presets, this is the basic pre-installed sounds that you will hear on the Fractal FM9. See you soon.